This artist creates a stunning piece of fluid art using a hairdryer. They begin by pouring a line of layered paint in rich, earthy tones across 2 canvases. Then, they skillfully use the hairdryer to blow the paint, transforming the simple line into an elegant, flowing design that resembles delicate petals. The final result is a mesmerizing abstract masterpiece.